Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can loop through in your uh, sections page by page while looping, so as well as looping through a numeric square sequence. We can also loop through a range of string values using Sass lists. A list is a way of grouping variables together. Say we want to introduce different color palettes for each section of our website, so we can declare these our Sass in as a variable. So for example, we need to add the home here with the color of F7E900, and then with the for the about we will add FF5 F09, and then $ news, which have the A0005E, and the links should be 410048. And we can then put the variable into a list of the pages, like we need to add a variable pages, and then home here, and then about here, and then news here, and then links here. Now I'm going to create a loop, and having defined our list, we can access this for in our for loop. So I'm gonna add here add sign for, and then $I from 1 through length, and pass here our pages variable, and then we need to add a body section which have the loop with the $I, and then actually I made a mistake here. We need to add a curly braces here, and then $I, and then background and child with the $pages, and then our loop value. So if we can create this loop, for example, our each section, you are working with the one page website, and you want to add sections here, and with the multiple colors, you can also create a loop of your each section. For example, I'm gonna add another link here with the name of contact should be black, and pass the variable into this, and it will automatically generate our section with the name of 5, which have this background color. So it will be very easy to create a one page website, and their sections within your website. And I'm gonna add a padding for every section. You can very easily manage your complete website within a few lines of code, and it will generate a more than thousands lines of code. As usual, you can easily handle these CSS within no time. So that is how you can work with the sections. And in our next lecture we will learn about organizing SAS. So that's all for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. You can also visit my website and download my app in your mobile phone. And see you guys in my next video.